No, I don't want to eat anything from here. No. If you are living in Salmiya, Kuwait, don't come to Fakhri Sweets because mango malai you get here will keep you coming back. With 85 years of experience coming all the way from Mumbai, they are in Kuwait, Dubai and Sharjah. Bhai Sahab, one more mango malai. Sweets, namkeens, bakery, snacks, desserts, everything. Bhai Sahab, what is your best selling mithai?
दूधी हलवा, ड्राई फ्रूट, मलाई मैंगो और भी बहुत सारा। खारी पूरी, शक्करपारा, पापड़ी, काठिया, भावनगरी, थेपला पूरी।
Mango souffle, black currant, pineapple milkshake. Wow. They even have my favorite khari biscuit, Bombay pav, cream roll and our favorite masala chai. Cookies, shrewsbury, chicken tikka, chicken cutlet. यार यहाँ तो सब कुछ मिलता है भाई।